my freaking light years since the last time we have met each other.
Yeah, 4 years ago. 2 years missing. I don't know.
How is going in Canada?
It's alive?
Alive? Yeah.
I guess so. I guess so.
Printing on the hype? No?
Printing on the low?
On the low?
On the
really?
high.
Or
High and low.
High and low. And intraoral scanners?
Always.
Yeah.
Cheap and expensive.
Who is now winning the market? Reshape? No?
It's like mostly
Serrano?
Reshape and Medit in Canada, I would say. Yeah.
What about the dental labs, the printers? Asiga rocking or
Well, I mean,
cheap Chinese?
no, actually, Asiga is pretty big in Canada.
Big,
Small
yeah.
Max is pretty big. I think for production labs, the big unit is quite popular, but right now, I think on the low end side, probably Accurata and Frozen. But on the high end side, probably the.
That's a good thing for Accurata.
Max.
Have you seen any magic here?
No, not for me. Me.
No, me either. No, I saw some crazy shit. The Koreans and Chinese got some most interesting things.
Some Canadians too. A lot of photogrammetry
Really,
from the Canadians from like
Hey.
Navident.
Maybe Daniel Lovak or someone. Or
No, Navident is a Toronto-based company. That's pretty good.
Where I can see them?
They're just across in the next aisle.
Navident.
Navident.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
thanks.
the photogrammetry is pretty popular.
Zero photogrammetry scanners in Lithuania or other Baltic states. I
Popular
don't
in the
understand.
US,
I don't
but
understand.
not bad in Canada now too. And then obviously guided surgery is pretty common right now. And then I'm a prosthetic guy, so a lot of digital denture making, partials, full dentures, milling and printing.
Do you have your favorite material for base, or you're printing the whole?
I'm milling, final milling with
Milling?
the Ivoclar system, but I prefer open systems preferably. But most of my colleagues are using 3Shape and then the Ivoclar system.
And your favorite material for dentures?
Right now, there's a new material from Vita called Dentdisc. Yeah, it's a multi-layer PMMA with high ceramic content for denture making, but also for like full prosthetic. It's pretty good too. So that's a new product from Vita.
Cool.
And they also have like a full denture system that's pretty new and released. They have also a staining and glazing system for PMMA composites. It's called Accent LC. You can use it on printing and milling. So I would say those are my things. I gotta go soon, guys, because I'm busy. So I'm gonna run.
Me too. I have to get some beer.
Ciao.
Bye.